Hey y'all, so I'm gonna give you a quick run through of this new apartment I'm in. When you first come in, there's a closet, which is like my utility closet, I guess I'll use it for. And then we have my kitchen. So next on the right is my refrigerator. And I have cabinets up top. And then if you move a little farther, I have a microwave. And then my oven's down here. Cabinets on each side. Got some water and stuff in there. Of the oven, of the range, whatever. And then there's cabinets above the microwave as well. And I have a few things in those. And the next is the sink. So I did some dishes. I have some on the counter right now. So I have a couple cabinets above the sink. And then my little pantry. So I did purchase a couple chairs. So I got a couple bar stools. That's the dining table. And I got this coffee table from IKEA. It's in a baby blue color. And then my sofa I got from Ashley's Furniture or Ashley Home Store. And this took like 4 weeks to get here. So I was like ecstatic when it finally showed up. And I got this little dresser here that I bought from IKEA. And then these drawer pulls I got from Wayfair. And then I got a rug from Wayfair that I'll also show you. And then I have my bed over here, which the headboard is from Ashley Home Store again. And I got the mattress from Raymore and Flanagan based on availability at the time. And then if you come in this area, it's where my closets are. Turn the light on. So I have loads of storage in here. That's my closet. I have two sides. So I just put my coats and jackets and stuff on that side. And then we have shelving right here. Got some bags, jeans, blah, blah, blah. And then some drawers as well down here. Cute, cute, cute. Then I'll show you. So the last place is my bathroom. I'll just give you a quick tour. You got your standard toilet, sink, and shower. There's no tub here, so this is just a studio apartment with one bathroom, and I love it. So thanks for coming on my tour. So this year I'm just going to decorate my tree, and I have a 9-foot piece of garland. I'm gonna put that on my sort of like a console where my TV is. The theme is gonna be pink, gold, and a little bit of whites.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Thank